Okay. So now in isolator, what happened in isolator? Your signal is propagating only in a forward direction. Okay, your signal is propagating only in a forward direction. Now since it is a two port one, if we provide the input to the port one, output is available at port two. But if we provide the input to the port two, okay, output will not be available at port one. So it is called as what we can say that is about a forward direction port. Okay, you can say that it is nothing but a forward directional one. Isolator is nothing but what? It is a forward direction. So we'll get the output only in a forward direction. Next, we'll draw that isolator here. Okay, here isolator. Now in this isolator, you can consider that this is a port one and this is nothing but a port two. Now in this case, what happened in this isolator? One resistive card is there. Okay, this is nothing but what we can say that this is nothing but a resistive card. Okay, are all of you able to see the video? Are you able to see the video? Hello, are you listening my voice? Now, there is nothing but a isolator. Okay, okay. Now video audio. Now there is nothing but a output here. Port one, it's a port two. Here it has the resistive card, and there is a ferrite rod present. Now the property of a ferrite rod is what? It changes its position of your field. Suppose I am saying that there is electric field, it rotates the field. Okay, it has a presence of magnetic field, therefore it changes its field. Okay, now here is again one more resistive card. There is one more resistive card that is at the another end. Resistive card. This one is resistive card, this one is resistive card. Okay, now what happened here in this case? If you propagate the signal at this particular place, here we can say that there is the input. There is the input. And then what happened here? Because of that, this is a twist. This one is a twist. When it reaches to the twist, your signal what happened? Generally, we are expecting the signal in this direction. But what happened? The signal gets twisted. This is the signal gets twisted. Twisted by what? 45 degrees. This is nothing but you can say that input now. It will be twisted by 45 degrees. Now again, when it reaches to this particular ferrite rod, again due to the ferrite rod, it will be twisted again by the 45 degree. When it twisted by the 45 degree, then what happened? It will reaches here. Okay, likewise. It will be reaches likewise. Okay. Then it will reaches here likewise. So we'll get the output at this particular port. Now what happened? Here is a twist by 45 degree. Okay, rotation of your signal, or you can say that it twisted 45 degree by this and twisted 45 degree by this ferrite. Then again reback here a signal, and then it is propagating. And that resistive card is what we can say that a thin resistive card. It is available, we can say that at input as well as at the output. So what is the role of this particular resistive card? It will absorb the power, or you can say that when your signal is parallel, when your signal will be parallel to this particular resistive card, then what happen? It will absorb the power. Okay, so means absorb the power when your electric field vector will be parallel to this particular resistive card. Right now it is perpendicular. When it signal propagating from the port 1, it is twisted by 45 degree here, twisted by 45 degree here, then it will return back to their original position. And then it will looks like a perpendicular to this particular resistive card. So that's why we'll get the output. When we provide a port input to the port 1, okay, so likewise, we can say that it is a 45 degree rotation twisted, then a counterclockwise 45 degree, so that's why it will retain their position, and then we'll get that output. When you provide a input to the port 2, okay, so now in another case, what happens here? If you provide the input to the port 2 here, likewise, so because of that 45 degree twist, your signal get change in a 45 degree. It's about a 45 degree change. Okay, okay. And then there is a twist present. There is a twist present, and because of that twist, your signal is again a twisted here. Okay, your signal get again twisted by this 45 degree. So then it looks like a parallel to what? A resistive card. So in that case, what happens? Your signal will be looks like a parallel. Okay. Now that is what happens when it enters from this port 2, and then when it reaches to this particular port, it will looks like a parallel, or we can say that your signal will be rotated by the 90 degree. And when it enters to this particular port, there is a resistive card there, and in that case electric field is a parallel. Okay, electric field is a parallel. Okay, now if the electric field is parallel to this particular port, then what happened that power will be absorbed, yes. Okay, and it reaches this particular resistive card with a different polarization. Expected what perpendicular one, we are getting at a different polarization. So that's why your signal will not propagate to the port 1. Okay, if input is there, output is not available here. If input is here, output will be available here at this particular port. That is nothing but what we can say a isolator. Okay, now we can consider that if we have seen that a isolator there, now then we find out what will be the S matrix for this particular port. We say that S11, S12, S21. Now this is about your two port matrix. All the elements are diagonal becomes 0 there because all the ports will be matched. In that case, S0, S12, S21, sorry, this becomes 0. Now when we provide the input to port 1, okay, when we provide the input to the port 1, output will be available at port 2. When we provide the input to the port 1, output is available at port 2. If we provide the input to the port 2, output will not be available, output at port 1, 0. Or we can say that no coupling, no power. Okay, or we can say that the no power. Okay, at this point. So in that case, S matrix becomes S is equal to what? These are the 0. when we provide the input to the port 1 is what? Input to the port 1, output to the 2. There is 1. Okay, so we can say that S21 becomes 1. In that case, if input is a 2, with this factor, this particular portion, as input to this particular 2, output will be not available at 1. So that's why this becomes a 0, this one will be a 0, and this. So this is about a S matrix for this isolator. It is only a forward signal propagating. Okay, only forward way of propagation of a signal there. That is about your, you can say that isolator now. Okay, it propagate the signal only in a forward direction or in a forward procedure. Okay, any question do you have?